So, Aguila Merchandising started its operation on January 1, 2016. Since merchandising business, nagbebenta sila ng ready-wear shirts and dresses. They use official receipts para sa cash collection, card sales invoice para sa sales on account, check voucher para sa cash disbursement, and journals for recording transaction. For January 2016, we have special journals, sales journals, cash receipt journal, purchase journal, and cash disbursement journal. For our sales journal, dito yung every time may sale on account, dito natin nare-record. For example, on January 5, sale to Dax for the amount of 2,102. Account receivable is debited, sale is credited. At the end of the month, total sale on account is 45,255. Yan yung total sales journal. Next is cash receipt journal. Dito nakalagay ang lahat ng cash collections. Some are from sales, some are from accounts receivable. And for example dito is si Dax. Nagbayad siya ng 2,102. Kaya makikita na naka-credited yung accounts receivable niya. May naka-corresponding credits, meaning nabayaran na. For purchase journal naman, ito yung mga purchase on account or utang sa suppliers. Next is cash disbursement journal. Ito yung mga payment na ginawa ni Aguila like sa rent, supply, salary, advertising, at purchase discount. Sa cash, merong total na 254,290. Sa accounts payable naman, 228,560. Sa salary expense ay 14,000. Supply expense is 5,490. Sa advertising expense is 4,800. Sa rental expense ay 10,000. Purchase discount is 8,560. After recording sa special journals, we summarize and post the general journal for adjusting and closing entries. On January 2016, Lito invested 500,000 capital, so cash is debited and capital is credit. On January 2, bought vehicle for the amount of 150,000 cash, debited transportation equipment, and cash is credited. For depreciation for vehicle naman, may formula na need munang makompute. So, pag na-compute to, i-record na siya sa general journal. Same as in prepaid rent, rental expense, may need munang sagutan para malagay ito. And for fuel expense naman na 2,180, andito siya sa additional information nakalagay. Ito yung from gas oil center reflecting a total bill of 2,180, representing fuel purchases on January 2016. Next step is posting to general ledger after the journal. This is where we transfer or post all totals from the journals to their respective accounts. Like in account and cash, account number of 1,000 with 500,000 from Aguila Investment minus purchase vehicle, add total cash in cash receipt journal, and minus in cash disbursement. So the ending is 149,429. For the next account receivable, account number of 1,200, 45,255 from sales journal minus collection ng accounts receivable sa cash receipt journal, 16,822. So, the ending balance will be 28,433. For merchandise inventory naman, account number ng 1,300, cost inventory with amount 438,700. Prepaid rent, account number of 1,400, the advance payment for rent in general journal with the amount of 5,000. The next is transportation equipment, the account number of 1,680. The vehicle purchase of 150,000 in general journal. Next is accumulated depreciation. The account number is 16090 with a amount number of 1,250 in general journal. Next is accounts payable. Account number is 2,000 na merong 459,750 minus accounts payable from cash disbursement na 228,560. So, the ending balance will be 231,190. Next is fuel expense payable. Account number is 2,400. Fuel purchase on January 30 with the amount of 2,118 general journal. Aguila Capital. For Aguila Capital naman na account number 3,000. On January 2, Aguila invested 500,000 at 36,942. So, the ending balance will be 536,942. For sales naman na merong account number na 410, the total sales and accounts are added to the total cash sales recorded in cash receipts journal to get the sale for the period. After that, the total sales amount to close the income summary account at the end of the period. This closing entry brings the sales on account back to zero. The same goes to the other temporary accounts like sales discount, purchases, and all expenses. Like dito sa ibang expenses dito at discount, meron silang to close entry. So, nagbaback to zero sila. Each shows the running balance at every posting. After ng journal at ledger, the next step is preparing the worksheet. They summarize all the balances. Start with an adjusted trial balance. Nilagay lahat ng ending balance ng accounts galing sa ledger. The next is adjusting trial balance. Nilagay dito ang mga accounts kung may pagbabago o dagdag na kailangan para maging tama ang records. Pagkatapos ma-adjust, makukuha natin ang adjusted trial balance. Ito na yung updated totals ng bawat account. Then, sa income statement, dito makikita yung mga income at expenses ng accounts para malaman kung kumita or nalugi yung business. At last, ang balance sheet. Dito naman makikita ang balance asset, liabilities at capital. Dito makikita kung magkano ang total asset at utang ng business sa dulo ng accounting period. So, basically, yung worksheet ay summary lang ng mga transaction para mas madali nating ma-prepare ang balance financial statement ng tama. Next naman, kailangan din natin malagay yung income statement and schedule for cost of goods sold. Yung computation niya is merchandise inventory beginning is 0 dahil wala namang previous inventory. Then, add purchases na amount of 459,750 less purchase discounts na merong 8,560, goods available for sale 451,190 less ending inventory na merong 439,700, and then yung cost of goods sold niya ay magkakaroon ng total na 12,390. Then after sa computation ng cost of goods sold, we prepare the income statement naman. Income statement, gross sales amount of 83,562 less sales discounts amount of 1,410. So, the net sale will be 87,152. And then, next is less of goods sold na 12,390. Yung nakuha natin sa unang computation. Then, the gross profit will be 69,662. Less in all expenses like salaries, supplies, advertising, rental, depreciation, and fuel. After that, the net income will be 36,942. And that's the complete accounting cycle for merchandising business. I am Danica Daa from Grade 12 ABMA.